Bonjour tout le monde. Hello, welcome to my channel, guys. A minute français. You can learn this in a minute, and it is very helpful for you. It will help you in career if you're planning to move abroad or if you just want to learn a language. So let's get started, and it's free of cost. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Okay, so we'll move. So the word we'll do is conditional présent, which means it's a type of verb in French which is conditional. So if you are studying, so you would also need to make sentences, and verb is the thing which is action. So you need to know if you are making any sentence in present. So how will we do that? So we see je. You would be knowing about je. So that's what the way how we je represent a person, to represent you, and IL represent he, she, and this is how if you have to make you just you have to add AIS as it is represented in the picture. And so this is how we go. And what is first we need to know what is a conditional present. So it's a type of mood, I would say. It's an impression. If you attitude, you're telling someone what you're feeling at present moment. So if you live anywhere and if it's raining, if you want to communicate to someone, how will you communicate? So you could use that by using this conditional présent. You could say j'aimerais froid. It means I love winter. I love cold. Or you could say je déteste ça. So it's how you can use this in your daily life scenario. So this is how this is as we already talked about avoir. Avoir means to have. You have to tell somebody I have something. I have a book. I have a pen. I have a laptop. L'ordinateur portable. So you'll say je aurai. What is the tense of word you came across with? And similarly with être means to be. It could be describing your mood. You are sad, you are happy, you are triste. Je suis très content. It means you are very happy. Similarly with faire, to represent you are doing something. Je fais le ménage. It means I'm cleaning the housework. I'm doing something. Vouloir, which means you want. So if you are in a restaurant, you could use this. If you are with your friends, you could use कि nous voulons un café et un dessert du chocolat, which means we want a cafe and a chocolate dessert. And pouvoir, which means you can. So it could be representing your skills, that pouvez-vous aider-moi faire la cuisine. It means can you help me in cooking. Similarly, devoir, which means you must. Il devra étudier pour prendre un meilleur note. It means you need to study hard to get a good result. For UCO examination. So this is how we'll represent by if it's L, it's a representative by group. So elle devrait, vous pourrez. So as I represent, I told you if we use this répondre means to this answer. So if you need to use this, how you use this? So as you can see this, je répondre, tu répondre, elle répondre, elle répondre, elle répondre, il répondrait, elle répond. Okay, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue à ma channel Un minute français, apprendre français, learn French in a minute. Thank you. It is free of cost. It will help you in your skill if you are planning to move abroad or you just want to learn a new language. So let's get started. Please subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you. So we'll start. Today the topic is conditional présent. So as I already directed, we need to learn upon a verb. You need verb to talk about things. So in this, what is conditional? It's a type of mood, I would say. You have already familiar with je, tu, el. Je means one person, I. Tu means you, I am he, she, and nu means to describe we, or vous means also means to describe more than one person, and el means a group of person. So how will we speak parler? Parler means to speak, and finir means to finish, and vendre means to sell. So it is described here. It's a parallel. It's almost similar. You need to understand the verb. It's like you need to know how it is implemented. If you know, if you learn this, then you don't need to memorize it. Your learning time will you will be reduced. You just need to know how it is. So parallel, we add a I, A, I, S. Similarly, to also it doesn't change, but it changes if we talk about a person, he or she. As we talk about someone, it will take IAT. The form changes from S to T. And similarly, it will always bien sûr change for we talk about we or you, more than one person. So it go parlons, and vous will parler, and elles parleront. And so this is how it will commence. Pour finir the same, il faut finir. Je finir ma bac. I finish my étude. Je finir. Je vendre ma maison. I'm selling my house. Similarly, if you start, this is a topic. So we'll start. What is a conditional present? We will think it's a present, it's written present, so it will be in present tense, right? If I have to talk about something in present tense, it will a time come we have to talk about something, you have to describe. I would say it's a type of a mood or expression of a speaker. Like if you were living anywhere in the tout le monde and if it's raining, so you want to describe that to someone. So you'll say you use conditional present. You'll say, if you have to use être, je me très content parce qu'il est pleuvoir. It means I'm very happy because it's raining. So if you have to say something in a language, you have to learn the conditional. These are very important. The grammar. So I would say that please try to grasp that context of that. And this is all we concept. I already told avoir in my previous video. Avoir means to have. If you have to describe something, I have something. I have a pen, a car, so a notebook, a portable, a laptop, a portable, a l'ordinateur portable. You would say कि tu auras a voiture means you have a car. With être you need to describe a mood or it means to be. So what are you? So if you want to describe कि you are very sad for example like the COVID, so you could say je serai déçu parce que il y a beaucoup de disease de tout le monde. And for fair, for you could describe using for doing something. Je voudrais faire le ménage, which means you're doing housework. So you could use this in that. Vouloir I've already described. It means that you want something. So if you're in a restaurant, suppose, and you're with your friends, so it's a group. So you can describe nous voudrons un café et un croissant. It means we want a café and a croissant. Okay, and for pouvoir means you can. So you have to describe something. You can you help? Or you could say pourrez-vous me dire, pourrez-vous me aider faire la cuisine. It means can you help me in cook something like that in kitchen. Or devoir which means must. So it would be कि elle devrait étudier tous les jours pour réussir l'examen et prendre un meilleur note. It means you have to study hard to get good grades. So thank you. This was also that you can. We have also added a word. So I have already told you répondre. Répondre means to answer. So you could see how the word change. I have already described répondre. Ajay répondre, tu répondre, elle répondre. So this is how it was for the channel. Please like and subscribe. Please share this content if you like this.